First, you will need to raise the OEM spoiler and remove 4 nuts. This is a first gen Audi R8 and I'm installing a Carbon's Creation GT style spoiler. You will need to remove all of these Torx screws and remove the spoiler brackets and motor assembly. This is one complete unit. The connector goes behind this black trim. I used a Dremel tool to widen the hole in order to remove connector and detach from vehicle. I had to grind down connector plastic so connector could be removed from black trim. Here's what the widened hole looks like. I used the Dremel 3000 with this adapter end. The rear upper Audi bumper trim was removed in order to unplug. Here's the unplug connector end. Before and after. For the price point, I'm very pleased with this product quality. However, as expected, fitment is not perfect.